Namaste, this is Samta Aunty. In this video, we are going to practice how to say I don't know in Hindi. The way we say it is Mujhe nahi pata. Mujhe nahi pata. Say it with me. Mujhe nahi pata. And the reason why we say mujhe instead of main is because in order to not know something, you don't have to move your body. So that's why we use mujhe. So the difference between mujhe and main is that in main sentences, whatever the sentence is about requires physical movement. But for mujhe sentences, there is no physical movement required. And I know that's a little confusing why there's even two ways to say I, but as you get deeper and more advanced in your Hindi, I can explain more about the differences because there are more, but it's a little bit too complicated for us to discuss at this point. So just remember that main is I when you're doing physical action. Mujhe is I when you're not doing physical action. And in order to not know something, I don't have to move my body. So that's why we say mujhe. Mujhe nahi pata. So when I ask you, how many species of fish are there in the world? You're going to say, mujhe nahi pata. And when I say, tell me the name of every single minion, you're going to say, mujhe nahi pata. You might know some of the names, but you probably don't know every single one. So you're going to say, mujhe nahi pata. If I ask, what is this symbol? And let's pretend that you have not watched Harry Potter. Then you're going to say, mujhe nahi pata. Either watched or read the books. Or you haven't read all of them yet. Mujhe nahi pata. I don't know. And if I ask, exactly how many seconds do you have to dip your Parle-G into garam doodh before it melts or breaks in half? Let me ask that again. Exactly how many seconds do you have before your Parle-G will break when you dip it into garam doodh? And you're going to say, mujhe nahi pata. All right, one more time. Mujhe nahi pata. And if you're not saying it with me, say it with me, please. Mujhe nahi pata. All right, now you know one more phrase in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.